Good afternoon, YouTube friends. This is Jim. Thanks for visiting my channel, Off Grid Living with the Bennetts. So are you on grid or are you off the grid? Me personally, myself, I'm off grid. Everything I do runs off of solar and some propane, mostly solar. So I've got a good solar system I've built, but I'm expanding on it. So follow along. We'll see what I'm doing here. Okay, so there we go. I've got 16 solar panels on the house right now. Well, not on the house, but on a rack out front running the house. I got 16 290 watt panels. I've now got 13 more panels. Actually, I got 2 over there as well. So I've got 15 more panels. And these panels, that one there's got a little bend in it. I'm not sure, it's been tested and it's fine, but it's had a little bend on the frame, so I'll figure out what to do with that. But these are 300 watt panels, 295 watt panels, and a couple 285 watt panels. Those over there are 300 watt panels. So I've now got, over and above the 16 I'm already using, I've got 5 panels out there that's running my shop. And so now I've got another 15 panels. I got room on the roof to put 10 of them. Unless I put some up here, I'm not sure. So that's my plan for down the road. I plan on putting the panels across this whole south side of the roof. I'm going to put my eave trough on. And that'll be a different video. But basically what I'm using for eave trough is I'm going to use some 3-inch or 4-inch PVC. I'm going to cut a little slit in it, and I'm going to make an eave trough out of it. And then I'm going to put the panels on, and the panel's going to butt right up to it. Almost. So, that's the video for down the road. So anyways, there we go. There's the panels. And over there I've got a couple more panels. So basically I'm going to be totally self-sufficient as far as hydro goes. Right now I'm good. My batteries are always charged up full, but it is summer. So with the extra panels, when I put them up, then even in the wintertime we'll have a lot more hydro. So follow along, and we'll just see how this project goes. Have a good evening. We'll talk to you next video.